it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing video on teaching you how to draw robots. How to draw a cartoon robots in 3 easy steps. Well, that's the lesson we're going to be doing. If you enjoyed my last robot lesson, you're going to enjoy this one just as much. It's a simple one, not too complex, but I will get more and more complex as I shared that other video, how I love the Iron Giant, and I'm going to be challenging you. So, if you have a pencil, and you have a paper, and you are ready to draw, let's begin this lesson. Let's begin! Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final 3rd step. A fun lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it. Well, what can you take home from this lesson? Of course you're going to hear me say again and again and again. Yeah, use your imagination. That's what's so awesome about you. And I know you have it, and I know you can. So let's put that creativity hat on and think of a unique robot or something that I did right now and transform it to your style. I know it's going to be awesome for sure. So that's your challenge today. Customize this robot or customize your own and just use your imagination. Thanks for checking out this video and have a great day. Don't forget to stop at our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot. Don't forget to visit our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.